Alright, so I have a 2008 Chevy Express van, and I needed to replace the fan pump. On these GM, the Vortec engines, it could be a bit hard to get the fan pump off because instead of having any kind of nut to secure the water pump pulley with, it just has these 4 pins. AutoZone did not have the correct wrench for it, and so I'm going to show you how I secured that so that I could turn the nut on the clutch to get it off. So I started by removing the belt, and then I got a tie-down strap, which you'll often see people talk about this on forums and stuff, but I used this black cloth anti-chafing tape. I ran it all the way around the pulley just by spinning it. Then I went ahead and secured the tie-down strap here. And right now, I'm getting ready to put the clutch back on. To take it off, you'll want to go ahead and secure it facing the other way so that you can turn counterclockwise against it. But then I kept it tight, and that's important so that it helps bind it down. I'm not as worried about it here, but you'll want to wind it neatly on here. And then you'll let the loop hang down, secured in line. As you can see down here, let it rest there, and then just hook the loop, or the hook on the end of the tie-down strap into a hole in the frame, or in, as I did, into a crossbar. So I hope that helps you out. It's kind of hard to find these adjustable pin spanners is the tool that you're looking for to get this out. So if you have one, that's great, but if not, this is pretty easy to do.